What's cracking, YouTube? We're out at Tortolita Preserve. We're about to do a mountain bike ride on our e-bikes. So my little brother, tell me about your bike.
So I just got this, the Aventon Adventure. I did a video earlier about my initial impressions and how I had an issue with the battery being defective and how long it took me to get a new battery. But hey, it's working now, and we're gonna do this legit mountain bike trail, see how it does.
All right, awesome. And then I've got this bike here. It's the IZIP Edge E3, I think is what it's called. I bought it used. It works pretty good. The only thing that doesn't work on it is the twist throttle right here, but paid $500 for it, and the thing's in pretty darn good condition here. So only done a couple of small rides on it, so this is our first time really taking it on the trail.
I forgot to show you, dude. Check this out.
What do you got? Yeah, so I'm not really missing my e-bike thumb throttle thing. Bike still works fine without it, so I just do the pedal assist. But we're going to go compare these two. Obviously, we got a hub drive motor on my little brother's bike, and then mine is mid-drive. So we're already looking at, some pretty good differences there. So anyways, we're going to kick off the ride, and we'll touch base with you guys again later.
Okay, let's do it. It's kind of nice having this brake cut off, because you get into a tight spot, you just drag the brake, and it cuts off all power to the motor. So, oh man, I'm getting pedal strikes. I've seen in forums people are complaining of that, and I just had two. So I might need to look into getting a shorter crank or something. And don't tell me, oh, don't pedal through the turn. It's like, dude, you don't know what you're talking about. You have to pedal through the corner if you need to accelerate going up a hill or whatever it is. You don't want pedal strikes. I did this on so this is my first e-bike, this Adventure. And my last bike was just a Diamondback, like front suspension only. I did this trail many times, never got a pedal strike. I've already had two. So something I'll look into for the aftermarket is maybe a little shorter crank. I'm scared to pedal. All right, so I'm in pedal assist 2 right now, averaging about 9 or 10 miles an hour. This trail is in Marana, Arizona, and it's pretty freaking fun. It's 9 miles if you do the whole thing. Normally, on my non-electric bike, it took me right about an hour to do. So, yeah, there's another pedal strike. Yeah, pedal assist 2 is perfect for this trail right now. Woo! Yeah, I'll try throttle only. All right, throttle only, baby. Let's do this. Oh shit, quick. Oh, okay, throttle back. Oh, there we go, little cow. What's up, cow? You're on YouTube. All right, back to throttle only. My brother's behind me. Dude, check it out, I'm doing throttle only. Woo! Oh shit. I'm just pinning it to win it on this throttle and then using my brake to slow me down. Holy shit, this is way faster than I've ever been on this trail. Holy shit, slow down. Okay. Woo! Fuck yeah, baby. Woo! All right, I might need to have my brother try this. Oh yeah, he needs to try this. Wanna try? You gotta try this, dude.
All right.
Fat tire is legit.
Let me try yours, and then we'll swap camera, and we'll both get each other's impressions. So you can get an impression on my bike now.
All right. Don't go too long, dude. This thing is so fun. You hit the sand. The fat tire is totally worth it.
Dude, so I got this in pedal assist 2.
Huh?
You can fly pretty good, and it keeps your heart rate up too.
Well, that's pedal assist 2 as well. And then I was fooling around with throttle only.
Dude, you're getting low on battery.
I know. All right.
Not be able to do the full trail.
We'll just.
You're going?
Yeah. Woo! So this bike is kind of fun. This one's fun too because it's light. This one's a lot lighter than the Aventon because this is not fat tire. I think they're 2.5 inch tires. This is a mid-drive. Oh man, I'm trying to haul ass. And he bought this for 500 bucks used. The twist throttle or whatever, the thumb throttle doesn't work. That's why it was so cheap. But if you don't care about, oh man, if you don't care about that, woohoo! Oh man, dude, this one's fun too. Whoa, this one's fun too. Oh, because it's lightweight. Like, look, pull the front end up like it's nothing. Oh yeah, let's get some speed, baby. Some speed. Woo! Oh shit! Oh god, these e-bikes, they can get you hurt, man. It's just too fun. All right. Woo! And this is slightly uphill. I know it's hard to tell, but if I was on my normal pedal mountain bike, I'd be going maybe 8 miles an hour. And I'm not the best in shape, you know, it is what it is. I'm just kind of getting back into mountain biking, but this makes it so much more fun. All right, I think I'm gonna let my bro, we'll switch again, or he can grab the camera, whatever he wants to do.
All right, the sun is down. It's starting to get dark. Luckily, we got helmet lights, but we met our first stopping point on the trail. So Travis, what do you think?
Dude, e-bikes are legit. Normally this trail, it's slightly uphill until you get to about the halfway point, and then it starts jumping downhill, really flowing, really fun. Normally we'd be averaging like 7 miles an hour going up the hill. And on these, we're flying. We're going like 15. It's so fun. We switched bikes. This one, you know, this one is only 500 bucks. One thing I can tell is the cadence sensor is tuned better on this one. It kicks in faster, but it's a punch. Like, this is only 350 watt too. Second you start pedaling, it gives you that assist. And if you're not ready for it, it kind of throws you back. When the Aventon, it's a more smoother delivery, so it's kind of easier to control. But it takes like about a rotation and a half in order for that cadence sensor to kick in. It would be better if they could tune it to be like a sport mode or something like that, you know, like.
Yeah, so I totally noticed that too. So now I don't know, maybe some of it's related to the mid drive. I've got, you know, a bit better torque advantage, being able to be in a lower gear. But even still, the electronics on the Adventon just kind of, they kick in the power very gradually. And so you come out of a turn, you start pedaling, and you got to do like maybe 2 rotations of the pedal as the power is coming on. And then it starts to pull you and get you going real fast again. Where this bike, it's pretty much like within a quarter or half a turn of the pedal, it's already like almost at full power. And so you can really like haul butt with it.
Yeah, one thing I've been doing to kind of counteract that is this got a thumb throttle. So if I know I'm coming into an area where I haven't pedaled in a while, I'll start rolling on the thumb throttle. It'll engage that motor, and then I'll start pedaling when I actually want the full power, you know, shooting you out of a corner. And that way, I'm just kind of using the system to my riding style, which our riding style is kind of faster than most, I guess. We're used to riding motocross. We grew up riding dirt bikes, but this is so fun. Another thing we've noticed, this one's a lot lighter. This one's probably only 50 pounds, maybe 55. Mine is, 70-pound bike. You can feel that weight, but with the motor and stuff, it kind of melts away. The only thing is it's harder, like if you're going to, pull the front end over a bump, yeah, you got to use a lot more force on this. But these fat tires, we're in Arizona. There's some sandy washes. You get into a sandy wash, that's stable. Like, you don't even feel it. You just get through it. It's fun. With that, you can kind of see it sinking in, that sort of thing. So it's both are really fun. I mean, that one's $500. This one was $2,000. Clearly, that one's used and stuff, but we're having a blast.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you want an e-bike, just go buy one. Go buy one used. Go buy one new. Who cares? It's fun. So let's get back to it before we lose all daylight.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Charge it today. So to save battery, I'm not running no light. All right, cool. Let's do this. Come on, brother.
You ready?
Yep. Alrighty. Again, this is the Torlita Preserve. If you guys want to look into this, it's pretty awesome little trail. It's kind of weird doing it at night, but you can do what you can do when you got to work for a living, All right. I gotta be careful because this is my first ride on this bike, on this trail, and I'm doing it at night. Okay. Oh yeah, this is legit. Woo! That was a little uphill. Once the pedal assist kicks in, it's like, boom, you rock it up it. Right now, this is pretty much getting downhill. Oh, mama. Gotta watch out for cactus out here. Have the Tannis armor liners. Whoa! Yeah. Dude, this bike eats up the sand. These fat tires. It's like driving a Cadillac. Dang, I'm going 14 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2. Oh, this is so much better than being on a regular bike. Anybody who's watching these videos thinking, should I buy an e-bike? Just do it, man. Woohoo! Just do it. It's so much better than riding a regular bike, and you still get exercise. You know, it costed me, I bought it for $18.99. There's tax involved. It's almost $2,000 after that. My wonder is, God, dude, actually, no. I was gonna say, my wonder is, would I have more fun on a regular mountain bike, e-bike? But on this trail, it's pretty sandy. And these fat tires are just eating it up. Whoa, cow, guys, do you see that?
Holy crap! Oh. That cow is staring me right in the face.
Dude, good job. I was talking to the camera about fat tires. Woo! Freaking cows, dude. Oh, this guy, look, holy shit.
Can we get by you without you kicking me?
It's a little baby right there, too. Murr. Yeah. Murr.
Thank you.
Dude. Yeah, we're riding in Marana, Arizona. This is like the wild, wild west, people. All right. Yeehaw! All right, what's my battery say? 37%. Dude, I'm doing all right. God, it's so stable with these fat tires. Holy cow. Normally I'd be like sliding out because of the sand. Oh, sweet. All right, here we go. Here's the sandy spot. You guys probably can't see anything. It's so dark. And this is a GoPro 3. You know, I got to upgrade, man. Oh, God, this is so fun. Woo! We're going to do this whole damn trail, dude. I don't care how dark it is. Yeehaw! Thank God for these helmet lights. Guys, if you guys ride at night, just buy a helmet light. Look wherever you go. Boom. Light. Oh, shit. This is usually really hard on a regular mountain bike. Dude! That's usually so hard! Oh! Holy cow, I didn't have to stand up! Bam! How legit is that?
That's awesome.
Woo! That is usually a hard spot. I know it's dark. You guys probably can't see shit. We may not even put this in the video. But that's normally a very hard spot on a regular mountain bike. You have to stand up and pedal, downshift. You saw how easy it looked for me and my bro. All right, cool.
All right, so now you're riding with me on my IZIP Edge 3 something or other, Facebook Marketplace, 500 bucks, best e-bike deal of the century. And I am having a ball. Dude, this thing, it feels like I'm just riding my regular mountain bike, but I'm like freaking Lance Armstrong, dude. I'm accelerating a lot faster. You know, my heart rate still gets up pretty good. Having a blast, but you know, it's not like beating my butt trying to go on this trail. And then we're just doing everything a whole lot faster. You know, this has some pretty good climbs coming out of these washes and stuff. Whoa! Oh shit, this is the big climb. So neither of us, oh, yeah, made it. I don't think either one of us made that before on our regular bikes. Yeah. But like stuff like that, you know, every time we've gone on this trail before, we both had to walk our bikes up that. You know, and now being able to just like power up it. Oh, dang.
Oh, oh, keep going, keep going. Yeah, dude. Oh, that's just awesome. Yeah, these bikes are just something else, man. Lots of fun. Still good workout, you know, and you can kind of pick your poison however much, you know, pedal assist you want. Right now, I knew those big hills were coming up, so I think I got mine maxed out in number 4. But most of this trail I've been doing in 2. Oh. Dang! Oh yeah! Woo. Keep going, keep going, keep going! Climb it out! Oh! Woo! Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, quarter of the price of that Aventon, but just as much fun, no doubt about it. We were talking about it while we were having a beer. You know, his bike, the Adventon, rides more like a big truck. You know, you can just cruise through so many things, so stable, you know, with those big fat tires. Where this bike, I mean, it feels just like a regular mountain bike. Little more agile, a little more sketchy, like right now through all the sand. Yeah, you don't even notice the sand's there, huh?
Not at all.
Yeah. See, I got to be a little more careful because at night you can't really see the sand. Oh, like that right there. All that good. But, you know, it's a mountain bike. It still has got, you know, pretty big tires, knobby. Lots of sand there. So, yeah, it's just super, super cool. And I'll tell you, I really like the mid-drive. We're going to have to do a mid-drive versus hub drive comparison video. Because, I don't know, man. I'm sold on mid-drive. I think he might be sold on hub drive. So we're gonna have to duke it out. Definitely subscribe. Get notifications turned on so you can get that next video, because we're gonna keep a few more of these coming. I think, you know, e-bikes are a pretty popular thing these days. And so we wanna bring some cool content, good information for people like us trying to just get into the hobby, learn, you know, the differences between these bikes, what they should do, what they should expect. Oh. Nice, dude. But either way, man, we're just having a ball. So stay tuned for that. And, you know, we'll probably catch you guys later.